This is Kathy from Gadget Stop 321, and in today's video I'm opening a package from Anderson Pens. This is not a fountain pen, but it's a gift for my daughter. One of the things she wanted for Christmas was a new journal, so I asked her if she would want a pen to go with her new journal, and I've been asking her this for years, and she always says no, but to my surprise, this time she said yes. So let me see. That's packing slip. So when I showed her my glass dip pen I picked out, she said, "Wow, Mom, you picked the ugliest one of the bunch." And so when she picked out her journal, I thought, and I asked her, "Are you sure that's the one you want? There's some others that I think are prettier." She's like, "No, I love this one." So let's see. Yeah, she picked out this one that's got the little clasp. That is pretty cool. And this is a nice looking journal. It's got some pretty gold foiling. But when I unwrapped it and saw like the decorated page edges, I thought she picked out a good one. So that was her journal she picked out. And I asked her if she wanted a pen with like a snap cap or something, or a click pen, and she wanted a click pen. So I had her look through the ballpoints, and she picked out a Parker Jotter, one of the extra large. And she likes gel pen. She uses a Pilot G2 for her journaling right now. And I told her Parker makes gel refills, so I ordered her some gel refills for this. I've never had a Parker Jotter, so when I unboxed this, I was kind of impressed by it's got a little bit of weight to it. I like it. It really rests in your hand. It's a little back weighted, but the weight rests right here. And man, she picked out a good one to go with her journal. Now, I was a little leery of the extra large because I noticed that the inside was plastic. So I thought it might feel lightweight and cheap, but it doesn't. So she picked out a good one. Now she will probably not be using this refill. Ooh. And that is a snappy click mechanism. I like that. She's probably not going to be using this refill, so I wanted to do just a little writing test on poor quality paper, because I find that these type of refills, what am I saying? Ballpoints. I tend to like ballpoints on, bad paper. They tend to write smoother. Let me get this going. Maybe. There we go. Yeah. That's not a bad feeling refill, but she uses black, so she'll probably want to switch it out for the gel anyway. That feels pretty smooth. I want to see what it feels like on actual smooth paper. Yeah, that's not a bad refill. I don't know if over time it'll get, have those little gloopy blobs of ink that you get with ballpoints, but so far that's pretty smooth. If she doesn't use this refill, I may try it out in my Machine Era ballpoint that I got recently. But I just wanted to show this, and let's see. I'll get that all back together in a second. I can't do a writing sample, but in this, since it's her journal, but I will link a couple of videos. Anderson Pens has a video about their paper blank journals. Mr. Paper did a video about them, and The Pen Habit has a video, and he has this exact journal in there. I don't think he did a writing sample in this journal, but he shows it in detail. But he did do a writing sample in another journal that has this same kind of paper. This one, I believe, yeah, it has 120 GSM paper. So, yeah, that's not bad. In Matt Armstrong from the Pen Habit, he said this one doesn't lay open very well, but it's not bad. It doesn't have that deal where it at the spine it wants to curve up. I think this could be broken in pretty well. I think she's gonna like it. All right. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.